Hi everyone, long time no see or talk. I went to Disneyland's Halloween party with my family and I got extremely sick. I don't even know how I drove home the next day. I was so sick and had a fever. But I'm finally feeling a little bit better. So I did go out to Hobby Lobby and they have a ton of new clearance. So I didn't do like a full recording video, but I did do a video that I think is too short that it's gonna end up on the YouTube shorts and not as an actual video. So keep an eye out for that because I did not buy everything, but when I was there, they almost had all the Christmas fully stocked and I thought these were so stinking cute. Now you do have to check through them because a lot of the ones at my store were defective. Like they were missing the little nose on the guys. It was missing the pom-pom here or pom-pom here. So just check them out. Make sure you get like a decent one. These are half off right now. All Christmas is 50% off. So I just thought these were adorable. I wish I would have gotten one more. But like I said, I was sick and I was literally trying to get in and get out because I'm just still not feeling that great. These were $1.12. I did get 2 sets. And I know I say all the time I don't like pink. But I thought for $1.12, this would be a really good base card to use. And then I would have the envelopes already. So what I'm thinking is I could just go ahead and add paper on top of the cards and then make it something else. So like right here, if I put a piece of paper to cover up this whole pink square, it just leaves me this like brown border right here. So that border, I could put any kind of paper in the middle, then add like a sticker or a sentiment. So that was my idea for these, was to go ahead and cover them up because I don't see myself using like a cowboy theme for anything soon. And then even just for the envelopes, I could go ahead and make my own little cards. And just for the envelopes alone, I thought $1.12 was good for that. So I picked up 2 so I could go ahead and try it out and see if my idea would work what I was thinking for it. And I think it will. It's so funny. I say all the time, like, I hate getting alphabet stickers in, like, the paper packs. But I ended up buying alphabet stickers because they were on clearance. So I got some black for Halloween. These were 87 cents. I got these epoxy red ones. This is, like, my favorite color right here, like the deep dark red. Those were 87 cents. And then I got some of these because literally in a week, I will be in Canada getting ready to go on my Disney cruise. And I want to scrapbook that. I say all the time I want to get back into scrapbooking and I just haven't done it. So I got this for that. I thought that this would be really cute to use to like label like Canada or Vancouver or Juneau or wherever we're at. I thought it'd be really cute in these letters, especially because on a Disney cruise they have Facebook groups, and in our group they are doing Buffalo Plaid Day. So I thought this would be really good just to go with like the whole theme. So those were 87 cents, but this comes with 4 sheets. So I thought that was really good for 4 sheets. So I got 2 of those. I think that's more than enough letters. I'll have to go through and double check that I have enough. If not, I have to run back. This was $2.49. It's just a little flare pin thing, a little pin that's Minnie Mouse bow. I thought that was cute. This was 99 cents. I thought it matched well with my whole little theme that I want to go for. This one was $1.37. Again, you guys know I'm a Disney fanatic, so that was $1.37. Oh, I got an extra one for my mom as well. Christmas, like I said, is 50% off, and I wish I was feeling better to record and to really look. But I got these little Grinch charms. I thought they were so cute. So these were 50% off. I thought those were really cute. Then this pack right here, like, look at these Grinch star beads, so cute. And then these green ones have his face on there. I should have got 2 honestly because they're just adorable and I feel like they're gonna go by really fast. And 50% off of those. I thought those were so cute. I cannot wait to use those. And they had some mushroom little like rhinestone stickers. Those are 74 cents. There's the other one for my mom. I apologize if this video is a little bit choppy. Like I said, I'm sick, so I talk too much and I start like coughing and choking, so I have to keep stopping to get something to drink. Over in the Paper Studio buttons, there were a ton of them on clearance. And they were all different prices. So I thought these were really cute with the little gingerbread guy and the little like swirly. So those were 99 cents. I got more of those. You'll see in a minute. These were 99 cents and it says folded card and envelopes. I do not make cards. I have been stockpiling these kind of sets right here to start making my own cards, so hopefully I can go ahead and get to that. But I thought this was really good. It makes 12 cards because it's 24 pieces, so I thought that was a great deal for 99 cents. Tim Holtz was on clearance as well, but Tim Holtz is only 50% off, not 75. So these came out to $3. I love Tim Holtz. I hoard him away. I have a whole box dedicated to my Tim Holtz stuff. Oh, in the planner section, there was clearance. So this is a Bumblebee set right here. So I got a couple of those because I do hope to do a bee project one year. And then there was this one with the flowers. So I got that. That was 87 cents. And then the cowboy theme to match this, they actually have in these like papers, and those are 87 cents too, but it was a lot of pink and I did not want those because, like I said, I'm not a pink girl, so I left those there. Now my favorite part, oh my gosh, I need to do like a whole YouTube channel for my planner because I have so much planner stuff sorry, that I just don't use enough of. I write in my planner and that's about it. I hardly ever decorate it, but I have to like buy and hoard all the stickers when they come out because I just love them. So this is a dried flower collection. It was only $2.24. I'm not sure how many books are on clearance right now. I did find 3, so this is one of them. This is definitely like my style with like the like pastel dark colors. I thought were really nice, so I like that. It's not like in your face pink, which is what I don't like. Then they had this botanical moody one that was again $2.24. So I did mention before that I got into plants during COVID, so I thought this was really fun. Oh, this is the sheet that I was obsessed with, just like gold little icons. I could do a whole book of just like gold icons and I would be very, very happy. I also had this one that was, it's just titled calendar, but to me it kind of gave me like a little bit of seasonal vibes. So here's a quick little flip. See, there's like numbers, but there's like birthdays and like some holidays in here. So I thought this was really fun. So I got that one again, $2.24, and they do show you in the back what's included if you want to check them out while you're in the store. I also found in the Paper Studio section, these frames are $1.37. Now, I seen a lady where she uses these, but she spray paints them so that they match her junk journals, and they are so stinking cute spray painted. So I did get a couple of those. And then I also got 2 of these folders from Tim Holtz. Like I said, Tim Holtz was only 50% off, so these were $2.24. Love those. I want to actually like measure out those folders so I can like make some more of my own mini folders. I think that would be really fun. I also got this one from him that I want to take apart as well, so I could just get like the measurements of it. This was $3.74 for that one. Some more Tim Holtz, $4 for this pack. It's just got like frames and little like bits in there. Then there was paper for $4.50. This is so my vibe. I love vintage so much. I think it's just so pretty. I've said it before, I feel like I was born in the wrong time for sure. Okay, this pack was really cute. It was only 74 cents, and I just figured like that is a good just craft base color. I wish there was more. I think that would have just been really nice just to go ahead and have in my stash, especially for that price. And then here's some more of those buttons that I told you guys about. These were 74 cents. But look, these snowflakes have a rhinestone in the middle. Like, those are just so adorable. And then they had, these are flat cards that I thought was pretty interesting. So flat cards and envelopes. It has 100 pieces total. So 50 cards and 50 envelopes. And that was $1.87. So I thought that was a really good price for that as well. A lot of their ink pads were also on clearance, but I only picked up this one. It's for embossing, it says, so that was 62 cents. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. They had little shamrocks for 87 cents, so I got those. Oh, here's another pack of those snowflakes. Like I said, I'm going on that Alaska Disney cruise, so those are gonna be really good for those. Okay, I know I recorded this in store before, but I couldn't remember if I actually bought it or not. And it was only $1.24. So I figured for that price, it's the same as Dollar Tree. I can get it. If I already have it, I'll just keep it in my stash and, you know, give it away later for like some Happy Mail. They had pumpkins for 99 cents. They had hearts for 74 cents. So cute. Oh, here's another one of those like little shamrocks. What else? I think that's it. I think the rest of this is like repeat stuff. Let me double check. Oh, I got some washi. I'm trying not to buy washi because I hardly ever use it, but this is just really pretty. It's like a foil. It was only 74 cents, so I was like, okay, I definitely need to get that one. And then there was an even thinner foil and in different colors. That was also 74 cents. These are a little beat up, but I mean, for that price, I am like not gonna even worry about it. It doesn't bother me. And that is it, you guys. That's everything that I got this round from Hobby Lobby clearance. I hope you're able to go out to your store and get some of these items. Like I said, there was stuff there that I didn't get. They had like over next to the paper at the end of that aisle, they have some pens. Some of those were on clearance, and some stuff over in the baking. Trying to think what else. The glitter still had some clearance. Over like in the wood section, there was some clearance in there, and I think that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Hope you guys are feeling better than I am, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.